The following are pre-recorded announcements for your telephone answering machine. There are 8 messages on this side which will amuse your callers and invite them to leave creative messages of their own. Using any standard cassette player, listen to the messages first and choose one. Place your answering machine microphone 3 to 4 inches away from the cassette player's speaker and set the volume at medium. Immediately after you hear the cueing chime, activate your answering machine to record. Stop it when the announcement of about 20 seconds is over. Then just wait for the calls to come in at the sound of the beep.
Your name, your number.
Things in your wallet.
Your name, your number, the time.
Things you write in your underwear.
Your message, your name, your number.
Things you run over in your car.
Why you call. Your name, your number.
Things you leave at the sound of the beep.
Yes, you've just answered the $25,000 question.
Hello, I'm Annie Sullivan, the world-famous educator of the blind, deaf, and dumb. I taught Helen Keller how to speak, so I'm sure that I can teach you how to leave a message.
Martha.
That's right, Helen, a message. No, don't touch that. Warned you. Now, leave your name and number at the sound of the...
Wah.
No, Helen, at the sound of the beep. Here, Helen, hold this. Warned you.
Hello, I got a little poem for you. I am the man from Nantucket. I'm old, but I ain't kicked the bucket. Don't be a creep at the sound of the beep. Leave a message or you can just forget about anybody calling you back.
Like meow. I know that's very cliche, but hey, I'm a cat. None of the humans are here right now. I take a message myself, but I'm punishing them. So leave a message at the sound of the mouse exploding in the microwave. Gotta go. Din-din's ready.
Before you face the firing squad, do you have any last requests?
Yes, could you take my messages for me?
But of course. The cigarette?
Yeah, I'm trying to cut down.
The blindfold?
Don't be ridiculous. This is recording.
Ready? Aim! You are supposed to wait for the sound of the beep! So, you've reached an answering machine. How does that make you feel? Inadequate? Like you cannot control your own destiny? Good. But you can make this into a positive, nurturing experience. Leave a message at the sound of the beep, and you will find out who your real friends are. That's all for today. Your time is up.
No one can come to the phone. We're all having a lovely time at this party here on the SS Titanic.
So leave a message at the beep, and we will get back to you.
Waiter, more ice.
Madam, really, this is most irregular. As you wish. Well, the family be chillin' in their hot Cadillac, but be cool, Jack. They'll inevitably be back. I'm a bad rapping butler. Leave your bebop a doobop for me. And I'll tend to it after crumpets and tea. Was that quite your satisfaction, madam?
Great American Audio presents a series of pre-recorded sound effects. Each sound effect is approximately 20 seconds in length and should be used simultaneously with your own messages as background or introduction. Let your imagination fly as you create your own special announcements.